Hello everyone, this is Sivashankari Swami's mother speaking on behalf of artist Swaminathan Manivannan. Swami had a proclivity to draw geometric shapes and designs right from his childhood. He prefers a photo or a picture to copy from and gives it his unique visual perceptual slant in his art. He is an alumnus of Vidyasagar. During his childhood, he will never sit in one place, but while playing with building blocks, he will sit for a long time making new designs. When he was 2.5 years old, he joined pre KG in a mainstream school and learned to recite rhymes, moral stories, and a long Sanskrit prayer song. He loved to draw pictures for 3 letter words, and he will draw peculiar designs to draw objects for the given numbers. We noticed that he had a passion for drawing. Artworks came naturally to him, and he sketches what he sees in his own style. Swami will give very short answers for the questions asked and will only talk as per his requirement. After being diagnosed with autism, he joined Vidyasagar at the age of 8. He was assessed by Mrs. Usha Ramakrishnan, former chairperson of Vidyasagar, fondly called as Ushaka, who identified his drawing abilities, and it was later built upon at Vidyasagar. With the supportive environment at Vidyasagar, his work has appeared on logos, calendars, as paintings at corporate offices and in corporate brochures. His art has been applauded by professionals from the art and design world. Swami accepts the accolades but is untouched by the applause. His work has appeared on the visiting cards and letterheads of chess master Vishwanathan Anand, on the walls of Ashok Leyland's new corporate office at Gindi, Chennai, on the brochure of the traditional rice gift box of Nammanellu, Center for Indian Knowledge Systems, and on the popcorn tubs of Satyam Cinemas. Curatio Healthcare Company regularly uses Swami's arts in their calendars and in their gifts for doctors while launching their products. When Swami was 18 years old, he attended the Employment Education Center at Vidyasagar and learned weaving from specialists. Swami excelled in weaving and with the support of Vidyasagar ran a weaving unit from home called Swami's Boutique and created colorful yoga mats of size 7 feet by 3.5 feet. Other than weaving, Swami learned the techniques of all sections at Vidyasagar, including making paper cups, leaf plates, coffee trays, etc. Now Swami follows his passion drawing, and his works were exhibited at the Kochi Binale Outsider Art Show, at the Art Sanctuary, at the Atypical Advantage, and at Kairasi. He is also doing commissioned portrait artworks. One of his artwork was selected by Dr. Parasuram Ramamurthy, world-renowned drama therapist, for the cover page of his book Artability. Kairasi also used Swami's arts for the cover page of notebooks. He received the Discovering Ability Art Award in 2019 from Not Just Art, and his artwork was exhibited at the UNESCO House, New Delhi. Being chosen as one of the best 9 artists in the Art for Inclusion 2020 competition by the India Inclusion Summit is Swami's biggest achievement as an artist. After participating in the Kochi Binale Outsider Art Show in 2018, we have been added to the Outsider Art Parents WhatsApp group, through which we get expert advice and many opportunities. Now Swami enjoys doing a variety of artworks for the Prompt Art series conducted by the Art Sanctuary. Swami enjoys his life with his easy routine of walking in the mornings, drawing, eating his favorite foods, and watching TV. He loves to hear melodious songs and likes to go on tours to temples and hill stations. He is very affectionate and likes to help everyone whatever that he can do. Every morning he sits with his father in the puja room and does prayer. We would like to thank the whole team of Vidyasagar for all the love, support and guidance we received throughout our journey. We would like Swami to keep continuing his good work and looking forward to all your support to make that happen. Thank you all.